morning, folks. Day 43, PCT 2024. There's my crew. We got on the trail about 6:30. We've been hiking in the fog all morning. It's a little chilly, but it's better than the sun. We did have a big uphill first thing, so that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm huffing and puffing. But should be a good day. Lake Houston, 8 miles. Gonna resupply for the truck to Tehachapi. So we'll talk to you further down the trail. Bye. Oh boy. Well, there's this afternoon's water. This smelly fish.
Stinky fish.
Stinky
Otter.
fish, I'm sorry.
I'm Otter.
Otter.
Baja.
Baja. And we're all getting water out of this little waterfall. Isn't that nice? Talk to you later. It's beautiful. Wow. Look at that. It's got water, it's the last one, so I don't need this one. It's just beautiful.